creating your first Python file on VScode. Creating your first Python file on VScode. Now, how do you do that? The step 1 from the guide is create a folder on your computer system, either on the desktop, document, or wheresoever you want. Now, we'll go to our system now. From the system, I will create a folder. I'll just put it on the desktop because of time and so that's for easy access. I'll create a folder, right click. For those that are not used to that, right click, new, then you see folder, then give it a name. Let's say Python tutorials. Python tutorials, correct. Now, after creating a folder, that is the first step that we have here. Now, the second step is launch or open VS Code from your computer if only it has not been opened. Already we have opened it. So that is to tell you that if you have not opened it, so you need to open it. But it has been opened. Now, the next step, which is step 3 from the guide, is from VS Code, click on File and navigate to Open Folder. File, Open Folder, then we wait, then we need to navigate and bring the file in that we want to make use of. Now, click the folder you created on step 1. That is step 4 now. Then, click Select Folder. The folder we created is on desktop and it's titled Python Tutorial. This is the folder. Python Tutorial, yes. Then you select the folder from here. The folder now will be open here. Fine. Now, the folder is open. Now, the next step is, afterwards, which is step 5, click on File again and click on New File. You can just come here to do that. Click on New File here. Then, you give it a name. Now, give the file a name, .py, e.g., index.py. Any name can be there. I'm going to give this one maybe text.py. Make sure you end it with .py. That is for Python.